Hello everyone, JavaMentor.net here. In today's video, let's learn how to debug our program. Debugging means that you go line by line and look where the problem is. So we have our tax calculator function, and in this particular case we want to do tax calculating only if the end of tax year is near. Otherwise, we will not calculate tax. And if we run our program, this variable is true, so it means that we will see those two lines printed. But we only see the output of our program. If we want to go line by line and to see what is the why we are going into if part, why not to the else part, and going line by line, that's called debugging. And you need to go here on this bug picture, debug main, or you can go here, debug main. And now we want to go line by line. We went to debug mode and it still doesn't stop to go line by line. That's because we didn't put a breakpoint. Breakpoint is, you can put a breakpoint by left clicking on any line and your program will stop there. So if we go now debug, now our program went to the main function and just stopped here and didn't execute the highlighted line. So highlighted line in the debug mode is not yet executed. So on the left side, we can go step over. That means go to the next line. Okay, to the next line. Now we are here. This line is executed and we can see the state of our variables here. It is telling us end of the year is near variable holds the value of true. Okay, now this if needs to be evaluated. Okay, since this is true, we expect to go here, right? So we are going here. If it here you have debugger window and console window. If you move to console window and click F8, now this line was executed and that's why we in the console see this text, but this is not yet executed. You can see from the console, right? So now we can put our breakpoint here as well and we can click step over. Whoa, we are here. And we can see amount equal 20,000, sorry. And our another parameter is equals to false. Step over. We skipped this if part. You saw that because this is not true. That's why we didn't enter this line. And now amount is decreased from the original, this amount is returned, then that is printed, and the program ends. This debugging tool is very important. If you write some program compiles, you can run it, but you don't have expected result. You don't have expected output. So you go line by line and look here into debugger console, let's call it like that, and you can just track what's happening. Why is your program not executing how you would expect? Let's run once again to show you one more small thing. You can evaluate expressions in your debugger mode, which means you can call your function tax calculator with some parameters and yet you can just see the result of it. So if you suspect that your tax calculator is returning wrong output, you can do this and see if it works or not. Also, you don't need to go line by line with this F8, but you can also go to the next breakpoint. So let's say that we want to skip this and this line and just go to this one. If you click F9 or this button, it will go to the next breakpoint. If you don't have next breakpoint, when you click F9, program is finished. And that's it about debugging. A very useful tool to find out where is the bug in your problem, where what needs to be changed just to fix problems. We already learned about classes and objects. In the next video, let's learn in more details about object creation using specialized Java functions called constructors. And also we will learn about one new keyword. Stay with us and see you in the next video.